Hello and welcome to the Radicals. Let's read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory video lesson 2. In this video lesson, we will be discussing about Charlie's character. Hello, my name is Charlie. I'm a little boy. I am from a poor family. I love chocolate. My house is located at the edge of the great town. I admire Mr. Wonka and his gigantic factory. I'm also kind and thoughtful. Let's go to my character sketch. My name is Charlie. I'll be sharing my character sketch with all of you. In fact, I live in a small house at the edge of the great town. I love chocolates, but sadly, I got only one chocolate in a year. I love Mr. Wonka and his marvelous character. I'm one of the luckiest golden ticket holder. At the end of the day, I'm rewarded with a special prize. To find out what, you need to read the book. I'm kind and thoughtful. This is my character sketch. Please tell me in the comments if you like my character. Make sure you subscribe to the Radicals Online Tutor. Let's read my character sketch. Pause the video and read my character sketch. The full character sketch of the Charlie is written here. So students, pause the video and read the character sketch. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. For more details, subscribe to our channel or contact us at our email address info.theradical@gmail.com. Bye bye. We will be meeting in the next video lesson with another character sketch from the same novel, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.